Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we are going to see how to insert a trademark symbol on your Microsoft Excel web on your PC. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert a trademark symbol on your Microsoft Excel web, I just going to show in this video. So first of all, you just want to understand that there is no insert symbol option present on the Microsoft Excel web. So in this condition, you can use your keyboard shortcut. Here the keyboard shortcut for the trademark symbol was you just want to press Alt key with 0153. Okay, so I just going to press Alt key with 0153, which create a trademark symbol. You can see how it's creating. So you just want to press Alt key with 0153. Then the second thing, you can press Windows key plus dot symbol. Okay, so you just press the Windows key plus dot symbol, which actually opens this. Actually, this is a Windows shortcut. So you just click here and you can see on, you just want to select this first gentle punctuation, and here you can find the trademark symbol. So this is how you just insert a trademark symbol on your Microsoft Excel web. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.